When you're using high-level disinfectants, you're usually going to have to maybe spray a wide variety of an area, but it may have to stay on there for 10 minutes to 20 minutes to 24 hours. These disinfectants, high-level disinfectants, are usually used in healthcare environments or assisted living environments. But again, these are much stronger, so there are precautions you have to take when using, as far as making sure you're in a good ventilated area, making sure you have the right protection, and just overall making sure that when we do the training, as we do in our buildings, that our cleaners and our cleaning specialists are trained on exactly what to do when using these disinfectants. You have to follow that protocol that's on, it's an MSDS sheet that's provided and that we have to provide in each building. Anytime we use a chemical, we have to have a sheet, or we have to provide that to the client. We actually, in our orientation onboarding process, when we're training our employees, we go over all that with them. The lower levels are like across the board, your window cleaner, your green products, just more of the natural or the more environmentally friendly products that you use across the board to clean. Also, when we talk about lower level cleaning, I mean, viruses such as the flu, that's considered lower level, which most people wouldn't think. But some of our companies in their protocol will consider that a higher level clean. So they will consider it a higher level because they'll want more of a higher level chemical to be used, especially in an environment that houses a lot of traffic or a lot of people, a medical environment, those things.